No, I'm not like cracking it right. I need to like just hold like the base of my neck right here,
Like
and then
with my thumbs?
with this hand, and then with this one, just I'm gonna go this way, but then slowly bring me this way.
Okay.
Okay.
This doesn't feel right. Here, turn this way.
Hmm?
No, no, here. Okay, now. Okay,
Right.
okay.
Cool.
Ooh,
Oh.
that was not your neck, that was your jaw. Oh, that's the creepiest feeling.
Will you do it again?
No. What is this?
Did I get you?
Did you know that was happening? Did you know that was happening?
I have no idea what he was doing. I just all of a sudden.
Nut or something. He asked me to crack his neck, and I've never cracked his neck before. I cracked his back. And he went through this procedure about I was supposed to help him. And when we got this money in, like right here, and there was this thing, and I said, John, that was not your neck, that was your jaw.
Did he have a nut in his jaw?
I don't know what it
It
was.
was a piece of pasta.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So you had this plan?
I had a plan.
Oh my God.
That's it.
You little snap boy.
Except whenever you take a video, your flashlight comes on.